Bye, friends! Let's learn and explore! Today is Family Day! I can't wait! The family photo disappeared! 6 family stars are hidden across Rainbow Town. We'll find them! Mothers care for their families. Thank you, Mom! We earned the first family star! Hooray!
Fathers help and protect their families.
Thank you, Dad! Teamwork makes everything easier. Wow!
Brothers play and learn together.
Let's play! Great teamwork! We found another star! Sisters are caring and fun. Let's help together! Wonderful job!
Grandmothers share love and wisdom.
I love Grandma's cookies! They smell delicious! We earned another star! Wow!
Grandfathers share stories and lessons.
I love stories!
Excellent listening.
We found all 6 stars! You restored the family photo! We did it! The family festival is saved! Hooray! Woof, woof! Today we learned about families. Mother, father, brother, and sister. Grandmother and grandfather too. Families love and help each other. Bye, friends! Bye, friends!